Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add default cell borders in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add default cell borders. At first, select the all cell your sheet. Click and drag on your mouse. Then go to the home menu. Click the borders drop down menu and select the all border option. Then click outside. We can see we added the border. You want to save the file, go to the file menu, click save as and save the file on your space. Then you want to make sure the border is added, go to the file menu again, click the print option, then check the print preview. We can see here the print preview, we added the border easily. You make the border default, always add this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.